Hello doctors, today I am going to show you how to make a putty index. The ideal putty index should be sufficiently thick and sufficiently tall, and it should fit well on the jaw. So take 2 scoops of the base paste and the catalyst paste and start mixing like this. So mix nicely so that you don't have any air bubbles. Make sure the color is uniform after you mix. There should not be any streaks of colors. It should be mixed well and it should be uniform. So I am going to make a putty index for tooth number 2, 3. Just roll it up nicely. Make a nice uniform ball. And just put it on the tooth and you start pressing it down. Make sure you press nicely on the top and make sure it touches this side. Also in the palate you adapt nicely. Look at it. Don't press it too much, just wait for it to set. It's quite big now because I'm going to use only for this 2, 3. Look at it. Pause. Now the putty is set, so I'm just removing it. And you can see it is covered almost from the 6th to the central incisor and also the palate very broadly, so we can eliminate all this. What I generally do is I cut off a little bit of excess. Also over here a minimal cut. So you can see it's quite thick and it doesn't get folded. I'm going to prepare the canine. You can just cut it next to the premolar and the lateral, basically to make it smaller for a temporary, or you can just cut it in the center if you are preparing it. We make putty index for 2 reasons. One is to put the temporary crown. So over here, let's keep this as a thing for temporary. So if it is for temporary, I'll show you what you should do. You can just remove the extra things. Make sure you use a nice sharp blade. And what I generally do to squeeze off the excess, I cut some relief holes here. Something like this, so that when you put a temporary, the excess can overflow, and that's going to be fine. So palatal side, I make a big cut and make something like this. So that any excess comes off like this, so that the crown will be in the proper thickness. So let's keep this for our 10th once we complete the prep. Close.